So ayan guys, nakarating tayo sa Steve Stefan, isang island dito, resort na hotel. Pero pagdating namin sarado. Ito naman yung ating pupuntahan ngayon, yung Steve Stefan. Abangan! So ngayon, yung nasa road na tayo sa ating 3 weeks road trip sa 7 countries from France, Italy, Montenegro, Croatia, Albania, Bosnia, Herzegovina, and Montenegro. So, ayan, 7 countries ang ating pupuntahan ngayon. And, ayan, galing na tayo ng Italy, pagkatapos Albania. Ngayon, nandito tayo, galing tayo sa Olsens. Punta tayo sa, ngayon, Svite Stefan, ang hirap pronounce. Isang island, dadaan lang tayo ng isang oras or mag-lunch bago tayo mag-continue ng drive naman papuntang Kotor, Montenegro. Kaya abangan nyo guys. Ciao, ciao! Ayan, malapit na tayo sa Svite Stefan. Ayan, Svite Stefan. Dating na tayo dito sa isang island. Gusto namin pumunta dyan sa island na yan sa resort. Pero pagdating namin ng gate, sarado. Dahil meron yata silang legal problem, kaya sinara itong hotel. So, buong isla na yan, puro hotel yan. So, maraming tao doon nag-aabang kung pwede pumasok. Mag-tour lang sa loob or kahit hindi kami mag-check-in dahil sarado naman, pero sarado pa rin. Kaya dito lang kami sa harap. Dami naman restaurant at saka hotels, pero nag-stop lang kami para mag-lunch. Continue naman yung ating road trip. So ang Steve Stefan, the earliest record of Svite Stefan is as the capital of the Pastrovici community, which became a protectorate of the Republic of Venice in 1423, having been independent since the 12th century. The Pastrovici accepted Venetian sovereignty because they were fearful of attack from the Turks. They retained considerable autonomy and paid tribute to Venice in return for ceasing piracy against Venetian ships. According to the legend recounted by Stefan Mitrobzubitska, ang hirap pronounce, the town fortification was founded after Pastrovici looted Turkish ships moored in front of just during Barossa siege of Kotor in 1539. Ayan guys. Initially, the island with its fortress had 12 families. In the 1800s, a village was established on the island with a population about 400 people. Villa Meluser was built between 1934 and 1936 as the summer residence of Queen Maria Karađorđević, of the Karađorđević family of Serbia, which was refurbished as part of the Aman Svite Stefan resorts that opened in 2008 and 2009. The villa, surrounded by 800 olive trees, is laid out over 32 hectares. The population of the island declined in the first half of the 20th century as residents left to join the armed forces or to move overseas from 400 inhabitants in the 19th century. There were just 20 remaining by 1954. The Yugoslav government converted it into luxury hotel and moved the remaining inhabitants to the mainland, and the island village became exclusive resorts frequented by high-profile elites of the world. One of the 4 churches belonging to Prasvika Monastery on Svite Stefan was turned into a casino by the government. The resort was visited by many celebrities including Orson Welles, Elizabeth Taylor, Sophia Loren, Marilyn Monroe, Princess Margaret, Carlo Ponti, Ingmar Stenmark, and Kirk Douglas. Thank you for watching.